Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. Another wonderful day for us today, and that will continue tomorrow, but we have some pretty big changes on the way once we move into the weekend, especially on Sundays. Our next cold front will move in, bringing our next round of thunderstorms, and it is possible we'll see that rain kind of linger for much of next week as well, so we may see some pockets of heavy rain over the next week or so, but does not look like we'll see much, if any, rain out there today. We actually do have another cold front which will move through today and kind of reinforce the low humidity for us, but we'll stay quite warm, and you can see a few rain showers there moving out of Oklahoma and Texas. What's going to happen here, this front will hit the dry air that's in the Arklatex, so these showers are fizzling pretty quickly, but I have a 10% chance of rain in the forecast. That would mainly be for locations in northeast Texas. If that rain does hold together, it's possible we could see maybe trace amounts of rainfall, so pretty low impact as far as the rain today. I think you can probably leave the umbrella at home and be safe with that, but your temperature is running similar to yesterday. Most of us have settled into the 50s, and we do have a north breeze again today, and that north wind will get reinforced by this cold front, so that's what's going to keep our humidity low and eventually return some sunshine today. May not be as sunny as yesterday, but I do have partly cloudy conditions in the forecast, and just about everybody between 80 and 82 degrees, which puts us right at where we should be this time of the year. So your Robinson and FUTURECAST does hold some of that rain together, mainly across our northeast Texas counties surrounding I-30, but the rain fizzles out pretty quickly here. The actual cold front will move through later today. The rain that's occurring is out ahead of that front, so we may see a few clouds get stirred up this afternoon, which is why we do have the partly cloudy skies in your forecast today, but we should have some wonderful weather again tomorrow as well, as we'll see partly cloudy conditions, low humidity Friday, and once again temperatures winding up in the low 80s. The big changes occur this weekend, so Saturday we'll start to draw in a south wind off the Gulf, so Saturday much warmer, will be into the upper 80s. You'll start to feel that humidity a little bit more as well, so for folks that may be headed out to the air show, Saturday a great day for that. But here comes our next cold front on Sunday, so we are expecting an increasing chance of rain and storms, especially in the afternoon and evening, so it's possible if you do have some Mother's Day plans out there, maybe dry in the morning, but it looks like we are going to see increasing rain chances through the day. And for us, what's going to happen, that cold front is going to get just kind of rung up here right through the middle of the Arklatex, so once we move into Monday and Tuesday, we are going to see that chance of rain continue, and it looks like this front will really kind of reload on Tuesday, so Sunday and Tuesday maybe the two rainiest days here, but we do expect some scattered thunderstorms not only Monday, but likely some of those trailing into Wednesday as well. But there's fairly good agreement with the forecast models that we will see the rain wrap up and probably end next week on a dry note, but we do have a rainy period here. Temperatures will be in the 80s through Tuesday. We will feel a little bit of a temperature drop with that front next Tuesday and Wednesday. One thing to keep an eye on will be the rainfall amounts. Right now, forecast models hinting at a good 2 to 3 inches of rain, maybe some isolated higher amounts, and if you live near some of the lakes and rivers, you know those are running pretty high given the active weather we've had here for the past few months. So we'd like to avoid any heavy rain. Doesn't look like it will be too significant, but again, we get 2 to 3 inches of rain. At this point, it's really not needed since we're not in drought, but we'll keep you posted on those rain totals. And I will say the severe weather threat looks pretty low as we head into next week, but we can't maybe rule out a few isolated strong storms Sunday and potentially again next Tuesday as well.